Hi guys, welcome back. Did you guys see my YouTube intro? It's so cute. I worked with this artist. I'm gonna tag her Instagram here, and she had a vision and I trust her, and we came up with that YouTube intro. I think it's so cute and totally my style. So let me know what you guys think about it. And that's definitely on my favorites list this month. It has been another month of me not posting. I really apologize. Really quick recap, my condition is still not good. I don't know what is wrong with me. I've just been having health issues out of nowhere after I fainted. And I've been to the doctor like 10 times with no answer. So today is the only day that I've been feeling good out of the past 3-4 months. So I decided to film a video for you guys. So today I thought we would go back to the OG YouTube. I was thinking we could do like a July favorites of everything that I've been loving while I've been sick at home and I haven't been going out because I am so terrified of fainting again. Because every little thing has been bothering me or triggering me, so I have had no confidence to go out. So I've been at home. So here are my July favorites. Okay, let's get started. I was thinking we can break it down to like skincare, makeup, miscellaneous, everything that I've been enjoying the past month of July. And it was my birthday month, so I really wanted a really good month, but unfortunately I did not. So these are the things that did keep me company within those last month. Okay, let's start off with hair care. I've been loving a specific product lately. This is the first one that I have. This is the Olaplex number 9, and it's like this, oh my gosh, there's hair on it. Ew. It's like this very clear serum, and it almost feels like a gel, but it applies so smoothly onto my hair, and it's also a heat protectant. So I've been really liking this when I need to like blow dry my hair or style it, and it keeps my hair from being super frizzy, and I feel like it does make it softer throughout the day. I apologize for the mess in the back. I haven't been cleaning my room. I'm always apologizing for my room being messy, but I just can't help it, sorry. So this is it. This is the Olaplex number 9 bonding treatment. I really like Olaplex products. I feel like it really works with my hair. I like this because it's also very minimally scented. I'm very sensitive to smells, and it smells very fresh and clean. So it's good for wavy hair, curls, straight hair. Would really recommend this for like shine and hair protection. Now, if Olaplex is a bit on the pricier side for you, I actually found a really good hair product that I have been loving lately, and it's the Kristen S Weightless Shine Working Serum. And there's something about this that has been working so well with my hair. I'll show you the texture. There you go. It's like the same clear texture as the Olaplex. This one is definitely a little bit more oily, but it's not gonna make your hair too greasy. Just feel the difference in the texture of it, but I would say it's like a really close dupe. Just apply a little bit to my ends, and guys, my hair has gotten so long. I am really happy with the length. I remember a few months ago I really wanted to cut it because I was getting so sick and I was getting so tired of my long hair because it was just an extra step in my health. It was another thing that I had to worry about, but I'm really glad that I'm starting to feel better. So my conscience is like, why would you want to cut your hair? Because this is like the longest it has ever been, and I love it. But it is hard to maintain, but this serum has been working really well. I feel like Kristen S has a certain hair smell, so if you have tried their shampoos and stuff, it kind of smells very similar to the rest of their products. And I think, okay, I don't think this one is a heat protectant, but it says it works for all hair types, cuticle smoothing, frizz taming, moisture locking, strand illuminating. And I really think it does all that at a really good affordable price point. So if you want to try different hair product from Olaplex, and maybe you're at like Target, Ulta, I really like this product too. Okay, that is what I have for hair. I've been loving that in the month of July. Let's start off with makeup, but I think I'm going straight into the lip category because I love lip products, you guys know, and I want to start off by using this Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment, and I love this so much. Everyone was hyping this up, so I was like, how good can a lip balm be, because I have so many. But they sent this to me and I was really excited to try it because I actually do really love the Summer Fridays one. But I would say this one's a little bit better because one, I like the scent a lot more, especially this one. This one's Strawberry Sorbet, and it smells so good. It's very fruity, but it almost has like this punch of like citrus, and it has this nice bunny tongue color. Just swatch it for you guys. I love it. It's very thick and hydrating, and it's very balmy. And one thing about me is I love sheer products. I know a lot of people, and some of you guys really love pigment. Like, you guys really love overly pigmented blushes, concealers, but for me, I'm like a really low maintenance sheer girl, so I need something that I can like close my eyes and apply with, because it just makes my life so much easier. So this Ole Henriksen does that for me. It's this beautiful lip balm, and it keeps my lips so hydrated because it's very like thick, but not overly thick where my lips feel like it's suffocating. It's like this perfect cushiony balm. And I love the smell. It doesn't irritate me because it's like this kind of citrusy, fruity smell. Really like that. And look at the color. It's like this nice pink bunny tongue color. I do have more flavors over there, but I haven't tried them yet, so I'm really excited to review this one for you guys in the future. I think I'm gonna film like a TikTok or YouTube shorts for this one because I really like it. Next on my lip loves that I've been really loving are the actual Love Shine candy glazes from YSL. They are really pricey, but I love the color, and again, they're very low maintenance lip products because even though this looks wildly brown and dark, if I swatch it, it's like this nice sheer jelly color, which I love. And the only problem is it's really expensive, so if I can find another dupe for this, that virtually just shows nothing, but I love it on my lips. It's very cushiony and I just throw them in my purse. It acts as like a lip balm, a lipstick, and like a lip gloss, and I really love that. I really want to make my own makeup brand. I know the makeup market is so saturated, but I'm like so picky with my makeup products that I think it'd be so fun to like create and decorate and name makeup products. And if I were to make a product, I think I would do something like this where it's like easy to apply, by low maintenance, and just I can do it with my eyes closed. Because that's really important for me, especially when I'm on the go. I don't want to carry like a whole lipstick with me, and I don't want to carry like a lip gloss with me. I would just want like one and done product that can cover everything that I want, and this does that for me, so I love that. One day I will manifest to work on something that big for you guys because I would love to be able to give back to you guys like that and maybe create some cool products for you guys. Okay, while we're still in the realm of makeup, I wanted to touch a little bit on the blushes, and I've been really loving this House of Her Moist Ampule blushes. First, I love the packaging. It's like this nice sleek glass, and again, I am a low maintenance sheer blush sheer makeup girly, so if you're looking for pigment, I'm probably not the best person because I just think it's a little bit too high maintenance and too difficult for me to work with because I love a natural no makeup. But if you're looking for something that's very sheer and beautiful, looks like skin, I love this one. This one's in the shade Cherry Blossom, and it's like this very nice serum blush that if I just keep working it in, it actually becomes this very nice sheer color, and it feels like a serum and like skincare. And I also have been really loving this one in Nude Beige. Let me show you guys. I don't know where to show you. Here we go. And it's like kind of this nude apricot-y, very muted brown color, but somehow it looks very good on my skin complexion. Even though it's like a more of a brown color, I usually reach for this one, but let me show you guys what it looks like on my cheeks. Let's do a little bit of this. I do have a little bit of blush on, so let's just layer it on so I can show you guys. Mirror is actually, do I have a handheld mirror somewhere? Let's see. Okay, this House Labs blush is also beautiful, but that is not the star of the show today. Do you see that? It's like very serum-like finish. Let's use a little bit of Cherry Blossom too. It just looks very skin-like, and I really appreciate how low effort it is to blend and just use in general because, like I said, I'm a really natural makeup girly. So I appreciate products that do have pigment, but easy to work with because they're very buildable and natural on my skin. Okay, how is that? Isn't that so pretty? Like, I really don't want to like overhype any products for you guys. I just really want to share what I think is really great and what I think you guys would like too, because I don't need to be hyping up every single product on the market. I only like sharing the stuff that I really want you guys to see and enjoy because I enjoy it. The thing about me is I always use napkins to take off this makeup, which is probably not good for my skin because it's so irritating, but you guys see that? I love the way it looks very natural and it doesn't feel cakey or heavy on my skin, which is a big no-no for me, especially in the summertime when it's so hot and my makeup is melting. I want something that's like really easy to use and doesn't feel heavy or gross on my skin. So this has been a favorite of mine. And if you guys have any product ideas that you guys are looking for, if I potentially do want to make products, like let me know, because I want to like brainstorm and kind of put everything together and maybe we could go somewhere from there. I would love to hear your insights on that. Second, in the realm of makeup, we're gonna move on to eyes. I have been really loving the Kosas gel eyeliner, especially because Kosas, I believe, is a clean formula, and I do have very sensitive skin, so I want to make sure that the products that I use around my eyes are especially okay and safe for me to use, because I think I deal with like hormonal issues. So having products that are like clean gives me more reassurance, I guess. But Kosas gel eyeliner in Depth, which is like a brown color, and I really love to use this because it's so creamy. And it's also, like I said, clean. So it's not filled with like harsh chemicals, especially around my eyes. Look how easy that is. That's how quick it is for me to do my eyeliner because it's so creamy. That's it. Okay, last in the realm of eye makeup. I'm really loving this ColorGram Aegyosal Maker. It's in the shade number 3. And if you don't know what Aegyosal is, it's kind of like this bag right here, but not really a bag. It's like this cute little piece of fat that a lot of Korean makeup artists use to emphasize for a more like youthful feature. And I really like this shade because it's really light, so it looks really natural under my eyes. Like this beige color. I don't want to do too much. It's like the perfect shade for my skin tone, and it creates this very natural aegosal, and I really like to use it as like a contour because of the natural color that it has. So I've been using this as like a multi-pen. I think we covered most of the beauty products that I'm really loving. I haven't found like a specific skincare that I've been loving yet, so maybe in the month of August I will discover something that I really like. But I wanted to do like a little off-topic miscellaneous section. Ta-da! I joined the Leve book club, if you guys haven't seen, and they sent me a couple of books. I'm gonna insert a clip here if you guys haven't seen that. They gave me this book for the month of July, and I surprisingly really like this book. It was a very easy read. This is The Midnight Library, and I usually take a long time to read books because my attention span is so short, and I used to really love reading books, but I just feel like it's harder for me to get involved in a book and get myself fully immersed in one. So this one was like a really whimsical, easy read. I read it with my friends and we were like dissecting it and kind of talking about it together, and that was really fun. I would say this book is good for just like a fun time, and it really talks about life and how precious life is, which I always love because now that I've been sick, I really have been having such big gratitude towards my life and like how I used to live with my healthy life. So I'm just finding like gratitude in everything, and this book kind of talks about that, and it was easy. My friend describes this as like a magic tree house for adults in a kind of depressing way, but it was really fun and a quick, easy read. And I thought I would just mention it in case you're looking for like an easy book to read. And also look at the bookmark that they gave me. They have a book club with a little bunny, and I love bunnies. Lauren and I always tell each other that we think we're definitely rodent girls. Like we love rodents so much. And speaking of rodents, my boyfriend got me this for my birthday because I've been so obsessed with calico cats, so I guess, or calico critters, so I guess I'm gonna include this here because I love bunnies and hamsters and rats. Like I love everything rodent related, and this is like a little bunny family. I'm like debating if I should open this up though because I feel kind of bad opening the box, but I do want to take these little guys out and put them in a little carriage like that. It's so cute. Okay, this is the last section that I have, and it's actually going to be scents. Again, I hate to keep mentioning this, but my condition hasn't been good. It's been really hard for me because having an unknown illness for the past 4 months has just been so hard on my mental health and physical health. But the two things that have been keeping me going, especially with someone who is very sensitive to smells, and I've been getting chronic headaches too for whatever reason. So I'm very limited in the perfumes that I've been using because every scent that I've been smelling hurts my head even more because I'm just so sensitive right now. My body is just like full on like inflamed and sensitive. So there's two things that have been really helping me. One is just peppermint essential oil. Every time I feel like a headache coming, my cousin told me to buy this, and he was like, this really helps my headaches, and he told me he puts it on his temples, across his forehead, and a little bit under his nose, and I did not think that it would work, but I have used like this much already because it's been helping me. Like every time I have a headache, I just put a little bit on my pulse right here, and I've been dabbing on those areas, and the smell has been really helping me with like the nausea that I've been feeling and the headaches. So this has been an absolute lifesaver for me. If you're feeling kind of like sick, maybe try peppermint essential oil. It's been really nice and comforting. I also do like mint chocolate chip ice cream, so maybe that's why I'm more of a bias to it, but I like to just rub it everywhere. And I feel like my sinus is clear, my head feels a lot better. Yeah, it just puts me in a really good mood. So I've been really loving that. One perfume that has been really okay for me so far is this Clean Reserve perfume. This is actually Lauren's, not mine, so I just go into her room and I take it from her. She lets me borrow it. This is Warm Cotton, and to me, this smells like fresh laundry, and which is very mild for me, so I really like that because when I want to wear perfume and feel good, laundry. You can never go wrong with laundry, I think. It smells so good. But one time I wore this and my boyfriend was like, "Did you just poop?" And I was like, "What? Do I smell like poop?" I was so confused and offended, but he was like, "I smell Febreze on your body. Did you spray it on your body?" And I was like, turns out it was this. He thinks this smells like just like the Febreze that you get after you poop. I don't think it smells like that. I think to me it literally smells like fresh laundry, so this is it. Okay, my camera just died, so I have no idea where that cut off. So yeah, this is my favorite perfume, along with the peppermint essential oil, has been helping my sick brain and sick head. And that's it for the month of July. I think I'm really happy with everything that I've had so far. And again, this sucks, but the sickness kind of made me feel so grateful for every little thing that I have. And all I want is a happy, healthy body, along with for you guys and my family. Like, that's all I ever wish for. Health and happiness is like, that's all I could ever ask. And so I love you guys. Please take care and be happy and healthy, because there's nothing else in the world that is better than health. That's so sad, but it's so true. I think that's all I have to talk to you guys so far. If you guys like this series, we can continue it for the month of August, because I think it's always fun knowing what everyone's favorites are for the month. I really want to start posting more longer videos on YouTube, but it's a lot of work. But I'm gonna try, because I love you guys. Let me know how you guys like it, then we'll go on from there. Okay, bye guys! See you guys next time, and happy August! Bye!